This week's edition sees the opening of a new Patek Philippe by Cortina Watch boutique here at Central Embassy. Join us for an exclusive preview of this exciting new retail space. The enduring collaboration between Patek Philippe and Cortina Watch spans over a decade, and this Bangkok boutique marks an exciting new chapter. The boutique spans over an impressive 108 square meters of space and boasts an elegant and contemporary design that includes a brand new facade concept. Beyond the expansive doors, visitors can browse some of the world's finest Patek Philippe timepieces in the main gallery, which is bathed in gentle hues of beige and brown to create an inviting ambiance. Between browsing, visitors can relax in several designated areas, each complete with laser-cut screens adorned with the brand's emblematic Calatrava cross motif. Located at the back, the VIP room offers complete privacy and features eye-catching artwork and a library dedicated to watchmaking and Patek Philippe's storied history. One of the most unique features of the boutique is a triptych artwork inspired by the Patek Philippe, the Peacock Reference 1627M cloisonné enamel dome tablecloth. These are prized for their rarity, with only a few pieces produced each year. Every space within the boutique is designed around the customer and demonstrates a commitment to offering an immersive in-boutique experience that is enjoyable from start to finish.